Spikers, who won in straight sets against the Chocomucho Flying Titans. Coach, congratulations on this victory. Anong masasabi mo sa naging panalo nyo tonight?
Well, kitang-kita naman sa mukha namin kung gaano kami ka-happy. I think lumabas lang talaga yung lahat ng effort na ginawa namin sa trainings and yung hard work talaga. Most of the time, up and down din yung performance namin, but I'm so proud sa team namin kasi talagang in-all out nila yung game and inangat talaga nila yung level ng laro namin.
Thank you, Coach. And for MJ, welcome back. How does it feel to be able to play with Signal and get this win on your first game?
I'm very happy because this was really a teamwork, and it's good to be back in the Philippines and feel all the atmosphere and all the fans supporting. So it's so nice to be back.
Thank you, MJ. And for Judith, our best player of the game, you had 15 excellent digs and 8 excellent receptions. Anong masasabi mo sa naging performance nyo na nag-lead sa win na to?
Una-una po, thank you sa tiwala ko, sa mga coaches, sa mga teammates po na nagtiwala sa akin. Kasi yung transition din, hindi madali. Pero sa tulong din ng coaches at teammate, madali yung trabaho ko.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Judith, yun nga, paano mo lang tinetake on yung challenge? Kasi siyempre, galing ang free agent, tapos pinagkatiwala ka ng Signal. And then ito, starter ka pa as alibero pa na pinupunan yung role ni Don.
Yun po, kailangan i-embrace yung position na binigay ng coaches sa akin. And yun, tiwala sa sarili, wag mag-doubt talaga. Yun po.
Coach, kayo ano lang pakiramdam na kino-coach yun na ngayon si MJ na dati nakakalaban nyo lang?
Actually, sobrang happy. Sobrang swerte namin na nakuha namin siya kasi yun nga, before, alam ko kung gaano siya kahirap kalaban. And we're so lucky and sobrang appreciate namin na tinanggap niya yung offer namin na maglaro for Signal. And we know na laki talaga na magiging impact and help niya sa amin. So, hopefully, mas ma-maximize namin yung strength niya. And even the local players, ma-maximize din namin. And mag-balance siya.
Coach, although alam naman natin may ibang wala sa Chocomucho, pero isa sa kumbaga pinaka-toughest competition nyo, nalampasan nyo na this early. Parang ano lang masasabi na ito tungkol sa Signal at saka gaano kalayo sa tingin nyo na this time yung maaabot nyo?
Right now, siguro one game at a time muna kami. Doon sa mararating, siguro more on hard work pa dun sa magiging performance namin and even sa training. And then siguro yung result, bahala na kung ano mangyari, pero gagawin namin yung best namin every game, every trainings. And yun nga, like nung binanggit mo yung against Chocomucho, dami na rin naming napagdaanan na laban, and siyempre medyo nakakalungkot yung mga past experience namin, but good thing nabawi namin kung anong meron ngayon, and hopefully ma-maintain namin to, and paghihirapan talaga namin para sa amin, sa sarili namin, sa management, and sa lahat ng fans and family namin.
MJ, this is a new team for you this year, but it looks like you've already had good chemistry with Jel Cayuna. What can you say about the teamwork that you two have so far?
Okay, the last past days we have been working a lot, and especially our connection between her and me. And she's very open. She is very flexible. So it's good that we have communication all the time, so we can get this confidence in the game.
For MJ, how are you embracing the change here in your second stint in the Philippines? Your former rivals years ago, now your teammates, some of them you're playing again. So how different has the experience been so far with Signal?
It's very nice to be in a new team with new young players, and I feel happy because I can help them with my experience, and Of course, I have good friends in the other teams, my former teammates, but it's really nice to come to a team who really appreciate my work, and I know there is more to come because this is just the beginning and we have to keep working for it.
And kay Judith lang, balikan lang natin siguro few weeks ago nung free agency, nung wala pang team siguro na kumukuha sa'yo. Ano yung parang pinanghahawakan mo nun o yung motivation mo nun na pagdating nung combine, ano yung iniisip mo na parang kailangan mong gawin and inaasahan mo din na hopefully nga makuha ka ng team and yun na nga ngayon sa Signal.
Yung sa free agent combine po, nag-try lang ako magbasa ng, sa email po. Then, pumunta ako nung day 1 and yun po, kinontak po nila ako ni coach na mag-try out doon sa team po, na Team Signal. Then yun po, nagtuloy-tuloy na po.
Coach, kayo, ano naman yung nakita niyo kay Judith kaya kinuha niyo siya and then pinagkatiwalaan niyo rin na maglibero sa team?
Well, hindi naman kaila sa ating lahat. Yung kagandahan talaga ni Judith yung nagdala dyan. But hindi, kidding aside, si Judith kasi nung siguro, wala pa ako nung una siyang dumating eh. Parang kung nasaan man ako. Parang sabi nga ni Coach Meg, yung isang assistant ko na si Judith daw, ganito, ganyan. So sige, papuntahin mo. And then nung nagkita kami, balik ka next week, observe kita ng 3 days. So while ongoing yung practice namin, ganda ng performance, pero mas nakikita ko yung grabe yung floor defense niya. Saka yung receive. And then, service niya. Every tune-up namin gagamitin ko sa service hanggang sa parang sabi ko malaki yung potential niya for libero, which is kasi yun din yung kailangan namin ma-improve. So, ayun. And then, actually grabe yung puhunan niya eh. Hindi lang skills eh. Yung jolly siya, and then yung pagiging aggressive niya, yung talagang all out siya pag training. Hindi siya yung tipong mahihiya kasi bago. Which is sabi ko nga sa kanya, isa yun kasi sa hinahanap din namin sa player na kailangan may konting kulit na alam namin na pag tumrabaho, grabe yung galaw. So ayun, so maraming aspect. So bukod sa kagandahan niya talagang iba yung level ng performance niya. So nakita naman natin, but syempre hindi kami magbebase sa isang game lang. First game pa lang namin to, marami pang pwedeng mangyari. And for sure, yung ibang teams na makakalaban namin, mas magpe-prepare din. Pero syempre same din, ganun din yung gagawin namin.
Judith, ayun nga, balikan rin lang natin yung, kasi parang yung grabe rin yung pinagdaanan mo nung nawalan ka ng team. And then, eto, with the trust nga nila Coach Shap, parang grabe, gano'n ka lang ka-committed ngayon na tulungan yung team na finally na-realize na yung dream mo na bumalik dito sa PBL?
Ano lang po, trabaho pa talaga sa training. Marami pa pong kulang, yun po. Dodoblehin pa po yung effort every training para makatulong din sa team. Yun po.
For coach and the players, your next game will be against Zeus Coffee. So, paano lang po makakatulong? How will this game help you guys coming into that match?
Well, siyempre, malaking bagay to yung impact nitong panalo namin dito sa first game namin. Pero more on viewing pa rin dun sa kalaban. And then, aralin namin. And siyempre, yung strength pa rin namin, kailangan mas ma-maximize namin. And mga kailangan namin improve, like sinabi nga ni Judith. Marami pa kami pwedeng i-improve. So, kailangan lang mas maging stay focused din kami sa mga gagawin namin and mag-ingat din lagi. Siyempre, medyo rin yung panahon ngayon. So, kailangan, isa yun sa kalaban namin yung pag nagkakasakit. So, kailangan mag-ingat talaga and talagang tuloy-tuloy lang and recover mabuti. So,
For the players.